Hello student. In the last video we discussed about the difference between current and potential difference, ammeter and voltmeter. We studied how to write the definition of SI unit of potential difference and SI unit of current. So hope you understand all these things. Now today we are going to discuss how to solve the numericals based on potential difference and electric current. So for that purpose we will take one example. So in that example, see that example, in an electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Calculate the current of electric Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Did you understand the question, student? Student, first you understand the question. What is given in the numerical? So first we have to write the given part. So what is given in this question? See, electric bulb draws a current. Means here what is given? Current is given. So current is represented by I. So I equals to 0.25 ampere. And again what is given? For 20 minutes. So time is given T, 20 minutes. But time is given in minute and SI unit of time is second. So we have to convert the minute into second. So how to convert? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So therefore 20 minutes equals to 20 into 60 seconds, that is 1200 seconds. Now we have to find amount of electric charge, means Q has to find. So by the definition of current, what is the definition of current? I equals to Q by T. In current we studied Q by T. Q means charge and T means time. So therefore Q equals to I into T equals to 0.25 into 1200. So if we multiply, how much we will get? 300 coulomb. So how much charge flowing through the circuit? 300 coulomb charge is flowing through the circuit. Understood, student, how to use? Now second example. See, in the second example, what is given? How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb from one point at 118 volt to a point at 128 volt. So understand the question, what is given in the question. First that given part we have to write. What is the question? How much work is done? Means we have to find out work done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb. So what is given? Charge is given. Q equals to 2 coulomb. And potential difference how much is given? In between two terminals, 118 volt and 128 volt. So 128 volt minus 118 volt. So how much we will get? 10 volt. So potential difference is 10 volt. Now by the definition of potential difference. What is the definition of potential difference? V equals to W by Q. By using this formula, we can find out the work done. So work done equals to V into Q. So value of V is 10 volt, value of Q is 2 kilo. So 10 into 2 means 20 joule. So how much work is done? 20 joule. Understood, student? Now third example we will discuss. Another one example. See here. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? Understand the question? What is the question? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery? So how much energy means we have to find here work done. And what is given? Each coulomb. Each coulomb means charge is given 1 coulomb. And how much potential difference is given? 6 volt. So Q is given 1 coulomb charge. Potential difference is given V 6 volt and we have to find work done. So by the definition of potential difference, what is the formula? V equals to W by Q. So substitute the value in that. W equals to V into Q. So 6 into 1, that is 6 joule. So these three examples, in these three examples, we studied that how to find out the potential difference and current. So hope you understand how to solve the numericals. So for the practice, here 4 examples are given. That 4 example you have to solve and show me. If having any doubt, so ask me, I will clear your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.